Are you looking for simple ways to make your course content more engaging? Creator Plus could be the answer. This video introduces you to D2L Brightspace's built-in authoring tool, designed for creating interactive learning experiences. Instead of static pages, you'll see how to use ready-made layouts, add low-stakes practice activities, and incorporate interactive elements like accordions, tabs, and flip cards, all directly within your course. Creator Plus allows you to organize and structure pages beautifully without relying on tables or risking accessibility issues. It's about improving readability, encouraging active learning, and providing instant feedback through low-stakes assessments. Creator Plus is broken into 4 key features. First, we'll look at templates and layouts. Instructors have access to 4 template layouts. These are the perfect accessible alternative to tables, allowing for dynamic designs without ever touching a line of HTML. Use these to break up long, text-heavy pages and keep your content organized. For example, an art history course could display photos of artwork with descriptions, themes, or historical context listed beside them in an easy-to-set-up format. Next, we'll look at practice assessments. Creator Plus turns passive reading into active learning. You can build formative assessments including drop-down and fill-in-the-blank, multi-select or multiple choice, sequencing and sorting, and finally, true-false. It is important to note that these practice assessments function differently than the standard D2L quiz tool. You can embed multiple questions directly onto a content page, allowing students to check their understanding and receive instant feedback. Because these are designed for formative practice, they are not linked to the D2L gradebook. Here's an example of a practice assessment. This biology course is using multiple choice or true-false questions to create practice assessments for students to test their knowledge of course content. We'll now turn our attention to interactive elements. Boost student engagement by swapping long blocks of text for stylized elements like accordions, tabs, carousels, and pull quotes. For a truly hands-on feel, you can use click and reveal elements, timelines, flip cards, and hotspots. These tools allow you to transform static information into a dynamic learning experience, inviting students to actively explore the material rather than just scrolling through it. In our example, a history course uses a timeline to visualize key dates and milestones in a chronological sequence. Finally, we'll look at H5P interactives. If you need more variety, H5P interactives extend your options even further. These are grouped into 5 helpful categories: assessments like drag-and-drop activities or crossword puzzles, assessment sets, such as arithmetic quizzes or full question sets, media, such as image sliders, videos, and hotspots. Organizational elements like interactive books, columns, and structure strips. And engagement features like word clouds, collages, and memory games. Some of the H5P interactives can be linked to the D2L gradebook. When creating an H5P interactive element, you will be prompted by D2L if you would like to add that element to the gradebook or not. It will appear as an external learning tool under the association column of the gradebook and will default to not being included in the final grade calculation. Using the Creator Plus features can transform your course content, but to get the most out of Creator Plus, keep these best practices in mind. Structure. Ensure your content is logical with appropriate headings for accessibility. Balance. Use interactive elements sparingly. Aim for no more than 3 per page to avoid overwhelming students. Purpose. Use specific tools for specific goals. For example, use multiple choice for key ideas, fill in the blank for vocabulary, sequencing for processes, and hotspots for labeling. Creator Plus is a powerful tool for instructors who want to build creative, interactive content that drives student engagement. Questions? If you're ready to start building or have questions about using Creator Plus in your course, reach out to the Office of Online Learning at online.learning@nscc.edu.